This is how to create a smooth slide-up text animation in Premiere Pro. Start by typing out your text and centering it in the middle of the screen. Next, search for the transform effect in the Effects panel and apply it to your text. Move your playhead to around 1 second. Then in the Effect Controls panel, click the stopwatch for both position and opacity. Uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and set it to about 300 for smoother motion blur. Now move back to the beginning of your text. Move the text slightly down and set the opacity to 0. Next, select the end keyframes. Right-click on them, go to Temporal Interpolation and choose Ease In. Do the same with the first keyframes, but this time select Ease Out. Open up the position property with this arrow and adjust the curve so it looks like mine. Now do the same thing with the opacity keyframes as well. Now your text smoothly slides up. To animate each letter individually, nest the text layer. Then search for the crop effect and apply it to the nested layer. Duplicate this layer for however many letters you have. You can do this by holding the Alt key or Option key on Mac and dragging the text to the next layer. On the first layer, click on the crop effect and adjust it so that only the very first letter of your text is showing. Now repeat this process for each of your nested layers, carefully cropping them so that every layer contains just one letter. Now once you finish cropping each letter, start staggering the layers by moving them 2 frames apart from each other. You can nudge them over precisely by selecting a layer and using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Keep repeating this until all of your layers are spaced evenly, and once that's done, your animation is complete.